Hi, I'm Belle English from the Sonoma Test Kitchen. Now, I love a good grilled burger, but sometimes I want something a little different, which is why I'm so excited to show you one of my favorites today, grilled chicken kebabs with za'atar flatbread. If you have the right cookware, any grill can become your dream outdoor kitchen. And today it's mine, because I'm using the new Emile pizza stone and kebab stone to cook up a perfect summertime meal. This Emile cookware was made in France, and it's made out of a special French clay that makes it super easy to use. Plus, it's really light, so it's easy to transfer straight from the grill to your kitchen table. Both of the stones are heating up on the grill right now. I want them to be really hot when I put the food on so that it will immediately start cooking. You can see that it has these really cool built-in divots that will fit my skewers perfectly, so they won't be rolling all around while I'm cooking. So let's get started with these. This chicken has been marinated in some yogurt and some spices, some fresh herbs, so it will be super flavorful. The first step is to give the stone a light coating of olive oil so that the food doesn't stick while it's cooking. Also, my oil is starting to smoke a little bit, so I'm just gonna fit these kebabs right in the divots that are there for me. Oh, and that sizzle, that's exactly what you want. Now I'm just gonna let those cook on the grill for a little while. While my chicken is cooking, I'm gonna make some nice za'atar flatbread. So I have my dough here. I'm gonna give it a nice little stretch, and then I'm gonna brush it with some oil and put some za'atar seasoning on there as well. So again, I'm gonna brush my pizza stone. It's nice and hot now. Although these are non-stick, adding oil always just ensures that the food won't stick and of course gives that nice depth of flavor. Now that this oil is smoking, I'm gonna add my flatbreads to the grill. Great, now that everything is on the stones, I'm just gonna close the grill to speed up that cooking process a little more. And I wanna tell you all about the sauce I made for the chicken as well. It's a pomegranate molasses. What I did to make this sauce was add molasses and some pomegranate juice and just reduce that down in my Emile sauce pot. I love this sauce pot because it's heat resistant, so the handle won't get super hot, and it has this spout, so when it's ready to serve, I can just pour it right out of there onto the serving platter, no mess. I'm gonna check on the chicken because I hear it sizzling away in there. Great, I'm getting some good color. My flatbreads have a great color on them, and you can see that they're really keeping their shape, which means that they're done. I'm just gonna transfer them up to this rack to stay warm while the chicken finishes to cook. Now I think our chicken is done. And that's it, an easy and beautiful meal made in your new outdoor kitchen. To learn more about the Emile outdoor cookware collection, head to williamsonoma.com.